week 3 of our AIOps journey. As you can see, our platform is very comprehensive, and it covers, multi-cloud, and there's a lot of capability. So I'm doing these little sessions just to really dig a bit deeper into some of these capabilities. And last week we talked about alert correlation and how our machine learning algorithms look for patterns in the infrastructure to correlate alerts between infrastructure components and map those onto the topology. Today I'm going to talk about another way of reducing those alerts down and reducing the noise down further. And this is by using automation. And using automation to do small remediations, perhaps start and stop a script, maybe stop a service, perhaps maybe to do some auto patching, etc. And the way that you set that up in the system is you use the process definition. And those process definitions are created using a nice graphical workflow designer. So here's an example. We've got an alert comes in, a tidal alert. We run a script, and we can basically take in your scripts. So we can bring in your scripts from Python or whatever you've got already and build those into the system as well. But based on the output of that, it runs different things, and it might set off some other alerts and alarms and tickets, etc. So that's one that's sort of an automated one. There's also, you could use governance as well. So this is restarting a service, but asking for approval to restart that service. And we might ask approval through Slack or through ServiceNow or BMC Remedy. So we've got the capability to integrate into your existing environments, integrate into ServiceNow, BMC, and other ITSM tools, but also things like Ansible for automation too. So we'll dig a bit deeper into that in the next sessions, but I wanted just to show you a visual on how we do your remediation and automation, and how we make sense of the noise, and how we can really reduce it down to 95%. So your teams can manage only the things that really matter. And this can save you a tremendous amount of time and effort and resources managing a complex hybrid infrastructure. Thanks, take care. See you again next week. Bye-bye.